Okay, so today we have a Mercedes convertible in for a hood clean and reproof. See, it's a bit grubby. It's over here. A couple of lines. Not sure what that is. This roof is actually blue, but it's more black. But it's in for our hood clean from 2-year coating. The roof, so we'll get it in. Okay, so it is all done. So our special offer on the exterior detail, and it's had the hood clean and the 2-year coating, 2-year nano coating it's had. And as you can see, nice and blue, looks lovely. It's had all the rubbers, Krytox as well. So they're nice and all plump. You can see it's looking lovely. Done the windows in and out. Now it's looking beautiful. See now the roof is a lot nicer. It's got the 2-year coating on it, so it's nice and waterproof for 2 years.